Actually, I do believe there are a couple obstacles for the women going to technology. First of all is that when you go and apply for work, when you compare men or women, like I'm a hardware engineer, like most of people, can you imagine, like she's a hardware engineer, you know? And at the same time, people are like, okay, let's give it a try. But when we start to think deeply, like for example in Bulgaria, we have 47% women in science. We have 23% women that are developing business. We have 15% that are trying to bundle the science and the technology, because I'm speaking especially about deep tech because we are here about this. And 1.5% of these women receiving funding.
Like what's going on there?
And in the scale of the whole entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem, it's a similar case. So you can be lucky if you're from this 1.5%. And what is the problem? The problem is that for the women, we don't have enough access to the things that are accessible to men just because of this gender balance. And this is not a myth. All the people are saying this is a myth. No, it's not a myth.
It's not.
And from the other side, when we start to talk about the women, we are just like, okay, let's give it a couple of examples. I was studying with 200 boys and 3 girls. When we graduate, I was one of the 40 that graduate. And all the, oh, you're lucky because you're a lady. No, it was a hard work to graduate from this school. It's not a luck, you know. And same goes now for the business. So I do believe we need a lot of role models.
Yeah.
This is coming from what we already heard about the education. We need to start from younger age to educate and to train these women and these girls that they can do it. They need to explore, they need to see, and much more they need to see ladies' examples to show them, yes, this is possible. I'm here because it's possible. So you can do it as well.